Good day, grade 12 students, and still, ako pa rin ang inyong kasama sa pag-aaral nito. Ako ang inyong teacher, kabarkada, and ka-vlogger. Hindi po ako vlogger, isa po akong teacher. So, still, on the subject, inquiries, investigations, and immersion. So, nasa module 2 pa rin tayo. So, tayo ay nasa pangatlong topic na, no? Okay. So, tayo ay nasa topic under so this time tuturuan ko na kayong gumawa ng statement of the problem out of the title of your research. So bago yun, tayo ay mag-review muna. So napakadali lang ng review natin, ano? So I'm going to show you a model or a framework, and then you will just identify kung anong uri siya ng conceptual framework, ano? Kung siya ba ay IPO, IBDBO, or a pre-model framework. So 3 seconds para sa bawat picture. Okay? Para kayo ay magsagot. So much better mag-prepare kayo dyan ng papel, ano? Para isulat nyo yung sagot nyo. And then malaman natin kung tama yung inyong sagot, ano? So, first one. Right. So, tingnan natin kung tama ang sagot nyo. Okay, kung IPO model, so, tumpak. Tamang-tama ang sagot nyo. Next one. 3 seconds. Okay, so, kung ang sagot nyo ay IBDBO model, so, tumpak na tumpak. Tama pa rin kayo. Alright. So, last one. 3 seconds. Okay, tingnan natin kung kayo ay tama pa rin sa ikatlong katanungan. So, siya ay pre-model. So, kung pre-model ang sagot nyo, so, you got 3/3 correct answer. So, malinaw naman. Wala kayo makikitang IPO or IBDB dyan, ano, na malinaw. So, siya ay pre-model. Okay. Okay, so let's now go with our lesson proper, ano? So, statement of the problem. Paano nga ba ginagawa ito? So, ano ba yung statement of the problem first? So, this part presents specific questions which will be answered by the research. Okay, ano yung mga dapat yung tandaan sa paggagawa ng statement of the problem? So, unang-una, go straight forward with the questions you want to ask. It should be specific, not general. So, kailangan ay direct to the point kayo pag kayo gumagawa ng statement of the problem, ano? And dapat hindi siya halo-halo, hindi rin siya big or malabo. Dapat go straight forward. Go direct to the point. Ano? So, next, number 2, it must be stated in question form. Hindi pa paragraph form. Hindi kayo nagkikwento dito, no? So, tanong ang ginagawa nyo. That's why, kailangan naka-question form siya. So, at the end, may question mark siya, no? And then, number 3, make sure to have an introductory paragraph before writing the question. So, gagawa kayo ng introductory paragraph bago yung mga specific na tanong sa inyong research. So, paano nga ba yung mga yan? Let's have the example. Okay. So, sa pag-generate ng statement of the problem, manggagaling yan, of course, una, sa research problem nyo. Yung mga nakita nyong problema sa inyong research, na-identify yung problema from your research, ay from that, maggagawa kayo ngayon ng research title or nakapaggawa na kayo ng research title, ano? So, in this example, prevalent alcoholic drinking, yung mga laganap na pag-iinom, ano, ng mga kabataan. And then, peer-centered life, yung mga babarkada, mahilig sa barkada. And then, juvenile crime due to influence of alcohol, yung mga krimen na gagawa ng kabataan dahil sa influensya ng alcohol. So, yan yung mga problems na nakita dito sa sample research na pinapresent natin. And then, ang naging title ng research ay Reasons, Effects, and Preventions in Alcohol Drinking of the Senior High School Students. So, from this title ay gagawa na ngayon ng statement of the problem. So, sa paggawa ng research statement of the problem, you should have at least 3. At least 3 problems. So, let's have the example, ano? Okay, paano ba in-apply yung mga principle kanina? So, look at this. Okay, unang principle. Go straight forward with the question you want to ask. It should be specific, not general. So, look at the question number 1. What is the profile of the respondents in terms of? So, napaka-specific niya, no? So, una, gender. Ano yung profile ng respondents? So, gender, 1.1. Then, 1.2, religion. And then, 1.3, parents status. Ano? So, specific na specific. Marami pang ibang uri ng profile or data na pwedeng makuha sa isang tao. Pero in this point, in this case, specific siya. Ano yung gustong malaman? Gender, religion, and parents status. Ano? So, yan yung mga kinuwang data sa mga respondents. Next, number 2. What is the percentage of the respondents engaging to alcohol drinking? So, specific, anong hinahanap? Percentage of the respondents engaging to alcohol drinking. So, isa lang ang tinatanong, isa lang ang hinahanap sa tanong na to, no? And then number 3, what is the monthly average alcoholic intake of the respondents? So, same as sa number 2, napaka-specific ng tanong. Okay, next reminder, ano, na dapat nating tandaan na binanggit kanina ay yung it must be stated in question form, ano. So, lahat naman yan, puro patanong yan, ano. Nag-i-end siya sa question mark. So, no question with that. Napakadaling intindihin. Next, number 3. Make sure to have an introductory paragraph before writing the question. So, ano yung introductory paragraph dito? Tingnan natin. So, ayan. Okay, nasa loob na siya ng box, ano? Yan yung tinatawag nating introductory paragraph. Okay. Okay, so bago nyo ibigay yung mga tanong sa inyong research, ay dapat meron muna kayong introductory paragraph. So, just like this one. The study investigated the reasons, effects, and preventions in alcohol drinking of the senior high school students. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. So, yan yung tinatawag nating introductory paragraph. So, malinaw na malinaw sa inyo. Dapat yan, ha? Okay, so ito pa yung mga ibang examples ng questions out of the research na binigay kong example. Okay, so yung question number 4 niya, is there a significant correlation between the alcoholic intake and profile of the respondents? So, dapat may gantong tanong sa inyong mga research, ano, yung significant correlation o kaya naman ay significant difference, ano? Specifically, kapag ang research nyo ay quantitative research, dapat may mga gantong tanong, ano? And then, other questions dun sa research, what are the possible reasons why senior high school students are engaging on alcohol drinking? So, reasons ang hinahanap dito sa number 6, possible effects of alcohol drinking, and then possible preventive measures para maiwasan yung pagkalulong sa alak. Okay. So, tapos na yung lesson natin, and of course, followed by this lesson is your activity. So, God bless you on your next activities na magpapatibay at magdadagdag pa ng inyong kaalaman sa paggawa ng statement of the problem. So, God bless you.